That's the best you're gonna get. Hey, everyone, episode of Flavor of the Month, where the monthly show where I talk about the new Dairy Queen Blizzard flavor. And today we are going to be taking a look at the Drumstick Blizzard from Nestle Crunch. So yeah, the weird thing about this one is, for a while, I was seeing this had come out early. So the day I'm recording this is April 22nd. The day it's going to come out is going to be March 1st. Oh, wait. Sorry, May 1st. Not March. Wow. I can't do months, apparently. That's why I do food reviews and music reviews, not calendar reviews or whatever. But yeah, it was strange that this came out way early. So I'm recording way early. Will it come out early? Probably not. Probably come out. The goal is do it the first of every month now. So let's go ahead and get into it. Looks like cookies and cream. I like it. I like how the coat isn't too soft. You know when you got like ice cream cone and you just sit up for a couple minutes, it starts getting like that can like absorb all. We don't get any of that. Good chocolate chunks. This is like a new cookies and cream. It's really good. One thing it's missing though is drumsticks have like the chocolate coating on the inside of the cone. Surprised Dairy Queen didn't do that. Like, I think they've done it with what was it? I don't know. Like either chocolate inside or like a chocolate core, like the Royals. This would be really good as a Royal. It really would. But yeah, I really like it. You get it Dairy Queen. You could have gotten it early, or you could have gotten it for the month the month of May. Really like it. Totally worth it. Go get it yourself. Guys, have a good rest of your day.
Yeah. Ay. Woo, woo, woo. I'm like, ooh, pull up and see how I live in my crew.